Okay, this is the Moonville Tunnel in Ohio. Really creepy place. Yeah, it's a tunnel, Anna. Supposedly the ghost of a brakeman stands with a lantern at the end here. It's the light at the end of the tunnel. Wow, this is so cool. Yes, Anna? Michael, say hello. Uh-oh, looks like we've had a little campfire here. Oh, can't really see it, but it's got a white circle around it. Yep. Yep. I'm sure some ghost hunters have been down here. I'd like to come back at night, but I don't think that's going to be happening anytime soon. And if it sounds like I'm out of breath, it's because I just boulder hopped a creek a few minutes back to get here. Alright, oh goodness, there's a lot of mud here. Anyway, that's the Moonville Tunnel. And turn around. There we go.